Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can copy contacts from all the contacts on your phone, email and other SIM, all on the new SIM. Since this helps those who be facing the issue not knowing how to copy contacts fast, it's simple. Simply start by opening Contact, then click on this top left corner buttons, then go on Manage Accounts, then after click on Import and Export button. Then click on the Export. Then after doing that choose the account which has the contacts you would like to copy, so simply click on the contacts from this account you would like to copy. Then click on Done. Then choose the SIM you would to copy those contacts to, then click on OK. And now as you can see the contacts suddenly started copying. And as you can it even popped on the notification, and now you can manage your contacts however you want. And as you can see it ended copying and now they are on SIM, so thanks for watching. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe.